59% of our students did not make proficiency on our state test scores. So that's a large chunk. How are you possibly going to provide service to that number of students? And, the district, the RTI is, there's a huge push within our district, as I'm sure there are most of yours at this point. So, they really look at it. If we're going to be implementing an innovation, it has to have a strong research base. It had to be appropriate for our target population. It had to focus on remediation. It had to be aligned with any state standards, which is hard to find many interventions out there that are aligned with any state standards. Customizable, easy to implement. As I said, we needed it to be delivered by teaching assistants because that was the only staff we had. Classroom teacher, it would be difficult for classroom teachers to find that extra time in their day. Students using a SET had previously made about half a year's growth each year. So if they were in 6th grade, they were working at a 3rd grade level. These same students, after this year of using a SET, have improved by 2 grade levels over just 8 months, from October to June. So that's about 4 times the rate of growth they've previously seen. So this graph kind of illustrates that. If these are the yellow line is the at-risk students, and the black line is an average student's trajectory or rate of growth. And you see, if the students had stayed on their same rate of growth, our 5th graders would only be here, and our 6th graders would move to there, making the gap even bigger than it was. But with the SET, they made 2 years worth of growth, so now they're only this far behind, or that far behind. So in just a year's time, we closed that gap to that much. So that if you predicted another year of this same intervention, most of those students would be on grade level. We'll have to see.